name is Vicky. I'm a staff member here at The Way We Wore, and today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite pieces here at the shop. Just to give you a little bit of recap, because I have done one of these videos before, I would say and describe my style as very funky and flamboyant, very vibrant, and my favorite eras are the 60s, 70s, and 80s, so I always love to kind of pull from those eras and bring it all together, mash it up into one, and that's what I'm giving you. So typically what I love to style my outfits with are some of my boots, which these two are from my personal collection. Obviously I love anything that's like vibrant, glossy, PVC. I love go-go boots and I will wear them any chance that I get. So these two are actually from my collection. I also love to style my outfits with a very bold belt, like this little zebra one I'm wearing right now, and some pretty, I guess the word of the day is bold, because I do like bold earrings, accessories all around, and boots and outfits. So this piece I love. It reminds me very much of glam rock. This is by Azzaro, and it's a piece from the 60s, and I mean, I just love it. You can actually Google and see that Tina Turner wore this top, and we actually have 3 of these in the shop, and they all came at the same time, which is just destiny, I think. But yeah, this is one of my favorite pieces, and I would like to style it with this incredible mini skirt, which if you could take a look here, you'll see all of these incredible graphics of the stars. I just love this color combination, and again, it's very glam rock, which is why I chose to pick these 2 pieces together. This piece right here, this incredible ensemble, is by Moschino. This is, I mean, just take a look at it, it's flawless. And I love Moschino because all of their designs are always so whimsical and very fun. And if you see here, you'll see that the little buttons are dice, and it's just super cute. And it kind of gives me like a very nautical vibe, but also like businesswoman. It's interesting. So it's very, to me, it's very 80s. And I love the shoulder pads, and of course the skirt that comes with it. It's just gorgeous. So another piece that I wanted to show you guys today from the shop that I really love is this incredible dress, this beaded dress. I love this color palette. Anything with pink and purple and with beads are my favorite. It's definitely a statement piece, and you can see down here there's also some fringe going on, which we love a fringe moment. It's just gorgeous. I would definitely style this with some like very fierce purple boots, like ankle boots, or even because the dress is so like already busy, maybe some mules would look really good with this as well, or some pumps. Love this. So good. Alright, period. One of my favorite pieces that we've recently got here at The Way We Wore is this incredible psychedelic beach outfit, or you can even call it a pajama outfit. I mean, I would wear this to the beach. It's a little too fabulous to wear to bed, but I would, you know, you could wear it to both, whatever. So this is Mr. Dino, obviously a 1960s piece. Just love the psychedelic print. Again, loving the colors on this. The color palette is immaculate, and because it is an ensemble, you know, you can always wear it in so many different ways, whether you just want to wear the pants with like a chiffon blouse or the top with some denim. I mean, there's just so many incredible things that you can do and how you can dress this look up. Yeah, just a gorgeous number, and these are the kind of pieces that come into the shop that I immediately, my eye is drawn to because it's just gorgeous. It's fab. Yes. Another piece I really love is this psychedelic nylon long sleeve dress. It's just gorgeous. It's one of those pieces that you can wear in the springtime or the summertime, and it's lightweight, so like you never have to worry about it being too heavy or anything like that. It's really, again, I think today I picked, like when I was looking through what I was going to pick, I'm choosing a lot of psychedelic prints because that's just naturally what I'm drawn to. I love anything that's just bold and vivid, and this number is definitely one of them. Would definitely style this with, again, maybe some purple boots, another solid color. It's just gorge. So this dress is absolutely outstanding. This is actually my favorite color combo, red and purple. And I just think that red and purple complement each other so well. But this print is incredible. If you take a close look, you'll see that it's actually a carousel print. So we have the cute little horse here, and the rhinestones, or I'm sorry, the beads, yeah, the beaded rhinestones throughout the dress and, you know, on the print. It's just one of those dresses that it's just too incredible to ever pass up. I also love the collar here. I love that detail. And there are buttons here, so it can give you like a little bit of a, if you want to be a little sexy with it, then you can get sexy with it. It's really gorge. I would also style this, because of the beads, I would probably style this with like some rhinestone silver earrings and a belt to accentuate the waist. And also would pair these with either red or purple or even black boots, or silver, since we're going to be doing silver accessories with it. Just another gorgeous piece, obviously from the 60s and 70s, which are my favorite eras. And yeah, just really exciting stuff lately at The Way We Wore. So thank you so much for tuning in to my favorite personal pieces here at The Way We Wore. Just so you know, the giveaway will be announced in March, so stay tuned for that. Very exciting stuff. And thank you so much for joining us. We love you and hope to see you soon.